So, what is magic number? Can you tell me the magic number? So,
Yes.
no magic number. Magic number. Okay. Magic number, what they call, this is number. This is number. This is number which on addition gives atomic number of next element in group. Atomic number of next element in group. Suppose, how can we read? This number is like that 2, 8, 18. Something. Wait, 2, 8, 8 only. Then it will come 18.
So 2, 8, 8, 18, 18, 32.
18, 18, 32. Okay, let us check here. Lithium, sodium, potassium. Then here is rubidium, cesium, and francium. These are there. See, if you talk about the hydrogen, and let us see hydrogen also. I am putting hydrogen here because hydrogen in also in the group 1. So hydrogen is 1. Yes, isn't it? 1.
Yes, sir.
So how much we need to add? Because in first
2.
group 2 elements are there. So 2 if I will add, it will come 3. Then in the third period you said that is how much? 8. Yes,
8.
yeah, no. So it will
Yes,
come how much? 3 and 8. It will come 11. Then again you need to add, that is how much? 8. So it is going to come how much? 19. And then you
Yes.
need to add, that is plus 18. So it will come 37. Again you need to add, that is plus 18. So it is going to come 55 something, come 55. And then you need to add the plus 32. It will come 87. Okay.
Yes.
So to get the atomic number of other element, it's very simple. By magic number, we can get the atomic number of next element. Suppose if you are talking about the beryllium, and here is magnesium, then calcium, here is strontium, then barium, and then radium. So here is beryllium is 4th. This is the second group element. No, for this second group and second period. Beryllium start from second period because first period only 2 elements are there. So what we can do here, we will add 8. So it will come 12. Then again we need to add how much? 8. So it will come 20. Then we need to
So we
add.
are just omitting the first number.
Yeah. So if you are adding the 18, it will come something 38. And then again, if you are adding 18, so it will come 56. Again, if you are adding the plus 18, it is going to give 88. So this way you can memorize the atomic number of other element, right? Now, what I am going to do, let us see the here. In the period, let us make the period. Here is lithium. Variation in properties of element. Variation in properties of element. Properties of element. How the properties of elements change, where variation of properties of element in we have to study in the group, and period, that we have to understand how it is getting changed in the group and how it is getting changed in the period. Okay. First of all, we are going to understand attraction. Attraction between, what we have to study, attraction between nucleus, nucleus, that is proton of nucleus, that is nuclear charge, nucleus, and outermost electron. We have to see outermost electron. This is the very first point which we have to understand for the understanding of other properties. Suppose you take lithium, here is beryllium, then it will come boron, carbon, nitrogen. Here is fluorine. Nitrogen,
Sir,
oxygen.
the attraction between nucleus and outermost electron is influenced by the screening effect.
That is influenced by screening effect, but screening effect is not working in all the places. It is working in the group only, not in the period. So this is the period. Left to right is period. This is the horizontal rows now. This is the period. If you are running left to right, so this is called period. And if you are going top to bottom, down the group, that is called group. Okay. Now here you go. So that is suppose sodium, potassium. Okay. Lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and francium. See what is happening here. Here, this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Here is it is 11. Okay. 19, 37, 55, and 87. Configuration. Let us try to write the configuration for understanding. 2, 1. This is the 2, 2. 2, 3. Here is 2, 4. This is 2, 5. 2, 6. 2, moreover, what you find? Number of cell. How many number of cell are there? Can you tell me number of cell? 2 only. KL, everywhere. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now go downward. Downward is see. Here is it. It will come how much? 2, 8, 1. Here you can see it is going to come probably 2, 8, 8, 1. Here it is changed. 2, 8, 8, it will come. Suppose I am talking about 8 only. 2, 8, 8. Then it will come. How much it will come? Can you tell me? We are adding the 18, na?
Sir, another 8 1.
See, another 8, na?
So 10, 10, 18. Sir, 18 another 19 will be there. So 2, 8, 8, 8, 1.
Now, is it okay? Acha, 888
Yes.
you are saying.
Yes.
Okay. So this is 2, 8, 8. No. It will be 18. Now count it. Now count it. How much is coming?
16. Yeah, yes, sir. 18 1.
Okay. But what the okay? Let it be like that. Okay. Here is the two.
Sir, but this configuration, if it gives in the exam, then we have to write by this only, or we have to write by the SPDF also.
No. We are just for a understanding purpose. I am writing, not for other things. I am writing. This is to explain certain properties. I am writing, not any other thing. 2, 8, 8, 18, then 18, then 1. Here it will come how much? 2, it is 8, 8, here is 18, 18, 32, 1. Like that, I am writing in the what I means to say. Just I'm giving you number of orbit. How many the cell are there? So here it is 2. Here you will find this is how much? 3. This side you can go 4. This side you can go. How much it will come? 5.
Yeah.
This side it is 6. And last one it is 7. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you are making the size, what we will see? That is force is inversely proportional to the square root of distance. Is it?
Yes, sir.
So you let me know where the force will be high. What will happen when you are, in which case the attraction will decrease? What the probability if you are going down the group number of cell increasing? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So force will decrease or increase?
Sir, force will decrease.
Force will decrease. Okay, force will decrease. Now, see, if you are going to here, left to right, number of cell is the same, but nuclear charge you see, proton is +3, +4, it is +5, +6, +7, here is +8, and +9. Yes or no?
Yes.
So charge increasing, but number of cell is constant. So what will be force? Here, what will be the force? Increase
Sir,
or decrease?
force will
Force will
same.
be. Why same? Here the positive charge increases now.
Oh, sir, then it will increase.
Force increases. See, these things you confirm. Firstly, you confirm this thing. If force you can understand, then rest of the property easily can be understand. Okay. Why the force increases here? The charge, nuclear charge increases and number of cell is constant. So this case force will increase. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But down the group, if you are moving down the group, here size is increasing now. Here the 2 cell are there, only 2 cell. Here is 3 cell. Okay. So when the distance is increases, so you know now Coulombic force. It is what they are.
Yes, sir.
Inversely
F equal to
proportional.
Q1, Q2, K
So
Q1, Q2 by R square.
so R is what?
R is M.
So this radius is increases, the force
Yes,
will automatically decrease. So here what is the force there? Force between the negatively charged electron and proton. So here you must be finding that is the size increases, so it is decreases. Can you understand this point?
yes, yes, sir.
Okay. Now we are going for the next. Let us move on the properties which we have to discuss. Atomic radii. Atomic radii. See, atomic radii, if you are understanding this one. So what is atomic radii? If we talk about that is the distance between, can you tell me what? Nucleus, the distance between,
Nucleus and the outermost electron.
sorry, what happened here? Once again, actually it is stuck with my hand. Distance between that you already know, na? Nucleus and outermost electron. Outermost electron. In what unit it is? It is calculated in what unit? The distance
It's a
between nucleus.
picometer.
Picometer. So if we represent there, here is the nucleus is there, and you can go with the outermost cell is this one. So here is, if you are calculating this one is what is called Ra.
52.9.
This is the atomic radii, right?
Yes.
There is also covalent radii. Can you tell me covalent radii? Covalent radii. Tell me what is covalent radii?
Covalent radii, sir, this two will be joined like this, and sir, this will be the covalent.
So that is what we do here. So covalent radii will, that is the radii of individual atom divided by 2, right?
Yes, sir.
So covalent radii, if you are RC, if you are calculating, so Ra, okay, and then Rb by 2. This come the covalent radii. Then what is the ionic
Yes.
radii? Ionic radii, tell me, ionic radii.
I think this was the ionic radii which I drew. So that was
No. This is covalent. Ionic means Na plus is there, okay, or the Cl minus is there. So Na plus is Na. Actually, in Na there was 3 orbit, 2881. Here Na plus, it is the what? That is only how many? 2 are there. Yes or no? 28.
Yes, sir.
So that is what the distance between what? Nucleus, and that is outermost electron in the ions, outermost electron in the ions. So same definition is there. Atomic radii and ionic radii is what is there. No difference is there. In case of that is the distance between nucleus and outermost electron of atom, here it will be. And in case of ion, it will be what? It can be the at the place of atom, it will be ion. Is it okay? Now
Yes.
move on the variation. Okay, what we are, where is the pen I got? Variation, we have to understand. Variation of atomic radii. Atomic radii. Where we are going to vary atomic radii in group. Okay, group. So variation of atomic radii in group. How? Now you explain. What will happen? Atomic radii in group. What will happen? Tell me.
Sir, along group atomic radii, Down the group, no?
Hmm.
Atomic radii will increase down the group.
Why? Why?
Sir, because in everyone, sir, the number of shell is increasing.
So number of cell increases. Okay, hydrogen is having 1. Here it is going to be 2. This is the nucleus. Then here it is going to be how much? This is going to be 3. Potassium, if you are going, it is automatically, it will go how much? It is going to be 4. Yes, yeah, no. Here if you are talking about, so atomic size increases. Okay, so that one factor you understand. Okay, atomic size, if I will write, atomic size increases. Size, what the reason you give? Due to what you have said, due to increase in what? Number
Sir,
of,
here this.
uh,
Sir, yes, sir,
uh,
yes, sir, okay.
is it okay?
Yes,
Is
sir.
it? Okay. Can I erase now?
No, sir, 1 second, just I'm noting this one.
But you are noting here the 1 is there, na? 2, comma 1. That also you should know every time 2, 8, 1. Then 2, comma. How we are writing more number of cell that we have to give now? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is I wrote that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is correct one. Remaining you can do by yourself. Yes, na? Here will be
Atomic
the
size.
2, 4. Here will be 5th orbit. Here will be 6th orbit. 6th orbit. And here will be the 7 orbit. Sanoy, how many rooms are there in your quarters?
Sir, quarters, 3 rooms are there, but presently we are not living in the quarters. Sir. Here only 1 room is there.
Oh.
Sir, over.
Okay. So what we have to understand here, what are the factors which are going to affect the atomic radii? That you let me know. What the factor which are going to affect the atomic radii? Here, if you want to write the values, what the value we can write here, na? Hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and francium. And value of are in group. Okay, how these elements are getting varies. So if you talk about the atomic radii of which one, if I will talk about lithium, you must be having the book now with you. Do you have the book there? Do you have the book? Is it audible? अच्छा नेट चला गया क्या? मेरे में नहीं चल रहा है. Sano, is it audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hydrogen I will find out. Here is the, if you talk about the lithium, na, it is how much is there? 152. 152 picometer. You can search in your book also. 152.
Yes.
Then here is there 186 picometer. And here is 231. This is the 231 picometer. The train there, you need not to memorize this one. 244 picometer. And then if you are talking about cesium, it is the 262 picometer. 262 picometer. They all are in the picometer only. Find out the value. Let me find out the value. Do you have the NCERT book in your hand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You can check this value in your book also. Where will you find this value? You can open the periodic chapter. Did you open that one?
Yes, sir.
See, the values are given in the term of graph. It is given, I think. You see the graph. I am just opening my book. Have you find the atomic radii value? No. Find atomic radii value in the group. Cesium is 262. These elements are given. Francium they did not give. Because why they did not give francium? Can you give me? It is radioactive. It is radioactive.
Yes.
Radioactive. So its lifetime is very less. So chemistry of francium is not there. It is radioactive elements. So it is not given. If you can find also, it may be in the some other book. I need to. Hydrogen is also exceptional. Okay, hydrogen is exceptional element. That is why their atomic radii not mentioned here. Otherwise, it is the smallest atom. Hydrogen is the smallest atom. Okay, radii of hydrogen. Let me find radii of hydrogen. Can you tell? It got disconnected. Here,
Yes,
this
sir.
side. I think network is so. Hydrogen is how much, Sanwar? Hydrogen you can mention somewhere. It is 53.1.
52.9.
52.9 is 53 picometer round figure. Okay, so this is what the group one. Now, I'm not wasting the time. Here you see factor affecting radii. Factor affecting radii. Now, can you guess what factor? One factor you was telling very early. Can you tell me what factor affecting radii? Yes.
The number of shells.
First one you are saying number of cell. Number of cells. What others factor? Number of cell. What other factor? Guess it. Guess it. Guess it. Like F, like that F inversely proportional to R you wrote, na? Yes, or no? So force of attraction can be responsible. Yes or no? Force of attraction. Okay. Force of attraction. Third, nuclear charge. Nuclear charge. Nuclear charge. Fifth, shielding effect. Shielding effect. So these many factors are there. Okay. Number of cell, force of attraction, almost first and second are same. Nuclear charge, shielding effect. Okay. So these 4 factors are there. I will explain to you this one. Little bit you need to wait. Okay. How can I explain? Okay. So variation of another topic you study. Variation of atomic radii. Variation of atomic radii in where you are going to period. In next class, I will give you problem on atomic radii. Period. If I will ask you, what should happen if you are moving left to right? Suppose lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen.
Next class this Wednesday only, na?
Wednesday not possible. It's class started. Class started. We'll tell you Saturday the same timing I am getting free. probably 7 o'clock. 7:30, not 7 o'clock, 7:30. That you can use. 3, here is 4, this is 5, 6, 7, here is 8, this is 9. Okay, so explain this one. Can you explain? What will be? Here is the 2, 1. Okay, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, not, this is 2, 2, here 2, 3, 2, 4, this is 2, 5, 2, 6, and 2, 7. These things you must be knowing. Number of cell is there is no problem. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Nuclear charge. Let me know. Nuclear charge. Nuclear charge. Nuclear charge. So nuclear charge means number of proton. +3, +4, +5, +6, +7, +8, +9. See, this is the number of cell is constant. Okay. Number of cell, if you are writing, number of cell constant. Number of cell constant. Nuclear charge increases. Nuclear charge increases. Nuclear charge increases. So if I will ask you, increases. So if I will ask you what? That attraction force, what will happen? What will happen to attraction force?
Attraction force will increase.
Attraction force will increase. Means if you are moving down left to right, so that is attraction. Here is attraction increases. Attraction increases. If suppose attraction increases between what? Between nucleus and outermost electron. Nucleus and outermost electron. And outermost, yes or no? Outermost electron. Outermost electron. This attraction increases. So, Sanay, the second point. So, what will happen? The contraction will happen or expansion will happen?
Contraction will happen.
Contraction. So, size will, what will happen? So, atomic radii, I am writing atomic, all radii, not only atomic radii increase or decrease?
Atomic radii decrease.
Decreases in period. So in period, it is going to be automatically decrease. By what factor it is going to decrease, that we need to write. Okay, but this values you need not to memorize. Value will be given already. Wherever you will write the exam, value will be given. So here I am writing, here is the first one is 152. 152 lithium, then beryllium 111, then boron is 88, carbon is 77, and then nitrogen is 74, then it is oxygen is 66, and here is 64. Tell me, what are you telling?
Sir, I am telling that all these are in picometer only, no?
All picometer. Radii will be always in picometer. You can convert into other unit, but it will be in the picometer only.
Yes.
Can I erase this one?
Yes, sir.
Now, again, coming back to previous page. Number of cell. So what will happen? Number, one note is there. There are many things in chemistry. Once you start thinking now, so chemistry will become automatically easy. Then you need not to have the teachers. But that is the logic will develop. It takes little time. So see, if number of cell, and nuclear charge change, not nuclear charge change. So which will get priority? Number of cell prioritize. Number of cell gets priority. Number of cell is effective. Gets priority or is effective? Is effective. Why it is effective? Because it is the square root is there. Square is there. Here square is there. No? So number of cell will be more. So it is more effective. Okay. And second, if one is constant, if anyone is constant, so if cell is constant, so cell is constant, and charge is changing. So which one is going to be the playing role? Which is effective?
So charge will only play role.
So charge will be effective factor. Charge will be effective factor. Now, so on the basis of number of cell, you explain the atomic radii. What will happen in group and what will happen in period? On the basis
Sir, but I'm noticing this one, sir, that whatever is increasing along the group, sir, that is decreasing down the period. Like these two are coming as opposites.
So number of cell increases now. See, here is the number of cell and nuclear charge both increases.
Yes, sir.
But the effective
Sir, I am talking about like all the properties that we are seeing, like Sir, if the property is increasing along the period, sir, then it is decreasing along the group. And if it is increasing along the period, then increasing along
but which are increasing, which are decreasing, that we have to understand.
Yes.
Na? This is not the logical. What you are saying, this is not the logical. Because sometime which one is increasing, which one is decreasing, then only we can say.
Yes, sir.
Although some properties are there, okay, exceptional properties are there,
Which remain constant along the group, but not along the group, but they
like
decrease along
correct. Like when you study oxidation number, today you study
Yes.
oxidation number. So variable oxidation number is there, na? Variable oxidation number. Have you heard about variable oxidation number? Or variable, So variable oxidation number, sometime in general it is constant in group, but sometime it is firstly increases, then decreases, decreases. So every time you cannot say, there is the exception in chemistry. But here on the basis of number of cell, what we can say, left to right, number of cell is constant, nuclear charge increases, so atomic radii will decrease. But down the group, both are increases, but effective factor is number of cells, so that is radii increases. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
What about the force of attraction? In the term of force of attraction, how can you explain? In terms of force of attraction, down the group, force of attraction decreases. Force
Yes.
of why decreases? Why decreases? Why decreases? Why force of attraction decreases down the group? Why force of attraction decreases? Sanoy, why force of attraction decreases down the group? Because distance between nucleus and outermost electron increases, na? This formula.